Hello, Beverly. This is your instructor, Mrs. Ransom, and sorry, I'm just getting back to you on your question. This is number 6, and let me scoot this frame over a little here. All right. So, number 6. All right, so I see the problem here on your checkbook balance and your bank balance. So, remember that I said that it is the beginning balance of the reconciliation, but what you're starting with is the ending unadjusted balance. So for the checkbook, which is this portion up here, let's see, is this the check register? The check register, yes, this is the check register. So the initial check register balance is, or what you should put here in the checkbook balance is $47.20.33. Okay, and then in the bank balance would be $48.23.01. So there are your beginning balances, okay? And again, it is the beginning balance for the reconciliation, but it is the ending balance for this month in your checkbook and the ending balance in your bank statement, okay? All right, let's see what the issue is with the outstanding checks. So for the outstanding checks, what you have to do is compare the 4 checks that you have recorded in the check register with the checks that have cleared the bank. Okay, so we have 4 here, and in the bank it doesn't show the numbers, but we do have the amounts to compare. So this check, for $143.50 did clear the bank. The one for $66.10 did not. The one for $451.88 did not. And the one for $319.24 did clear the bank. Okay? So we determine that again by comparing the check register for the company against the bank statement. All right, and then if we add up $143.50 plus $319.24, $319.24, I can't use my calculator. $143.50 plus $319.24, we get $462.74. Those are the cleared ones, okay? And then the outstanding ones are the other 2. So for $66.10 and $451.88, they are still outstanding. So let's see. And there's your correct answer, $517.98, okay? All right, let's go over to number 9. All right, number 9. Well, you don't have much wrong with number 9 at all. The big difference in these things is what you're given. This one, you're just given information in a narrative sense. Actually, this is 10. No, it says 9 of 10. Okay, it is number 9. So again, it tells you, and this one you're told the bank statement balance, the checkbook balance, which you put in the appropriate places. I honestly think the only thing you did wrong here was possibly they wanted you to put the total there. Let me see. Or let's see what the problem is here. Yep. So they wanted you to put the total of these two items here, and then the total of these two items here. So I agree that that's a little bit silly to count off for. So looks like you missed a half a point for that. So I'm just going to give that back to you because let me go back to yeah, I don't think it's totally obvious that's what they wanted you to do. So let's see. Okay, so I gave you that half a point back. Okay. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you run into something similar like this on the test that you have trouble with, let me know that as well. Okay? And I hope you have a good weekend. And please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you.